Alright guys and gals, hang on a second. Wow, evil anthrax. We'll start a little project here. This is a broken seat, if you can't tell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it. And then I'm going to reupholster it. I'll show you what the seat looks like. Here, hang on a second. Let me clear this thing off. Hopefully I can do this without dropping you. Mind my hand. It's that guy right there. Not that guy. This right here. So we lifted up the seat. It's all just crappy old particle board, and who knows from when it was made. I would guess 60s maybe. Anywho, I'm gonna make a new base, new cover, add some foam and stuff like that. So let's see what I come up with.
Alright, let's get started. We're taking this thing apart.
Oh yeah, don't make fun of my socks.
I'll get back to you when I get these all out.
Ta-da! Oh wait, hang on a second. Who's insane in the membrane? Not me. What I used is this little chingadera right here. Tack remover. It's very pointy. Don't stab yourself. Up. It's always one. Scrap life. Not really. I mean, yes, but no. Son of a. Rusty old particle board. Had a lot of butts in it. What we'll end up doing, as if you're here helping me, we're gonna mount this onto the new board.
Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding.
And that'll secure it in place, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace it with my router. There's other ways to do this if you don't have a router. Table saw, not table saw, bandsaw, jigsaw, coping saw, whatever you want to use. I'm going to use 3/4 inch ply. A buddy of mine has a scrap bit we can use. Okay, excuse me. Back on the chair project, except there's Jack in my way. Stinking garage door spring broke. Oh. I'm watching old videos of me and Porter working on his truck. Yeah, stinking spring broke, so now I got to go in and out the back door. Oh well. Got to do some repairs on this guy. I got chewed up particle board here, some holes because I want to trace this with. Hang on, I'm gonna turn the volume down. All right, that's better. Because I'm gonna use this as a template and trace it with my router, but I need good surfaces, so I'm using automotive body filler. Screwdriver. It's not just for working on cars. Most people call it Bondo, but Bondo is just a name brand, and that's what I got. Yummy.
Yay.
I need a digger. I'm gonna show you something you're not supposed to do, so don't do it. Use cardboard. Don't use it. The reason is it tends to suck out the resin, but for what I'm doing, it doesn't matter because this isn't anything permanent. I have a board somewhere. There it is up there. It's shape of an egg. It's an old fiberglass panel from a work project. Mix up the resin into the filler. Makes it smoother. S-M-U-V-E-R. Same with the hardener, the activator. I like to mix it up a little bit because it actually has some fluidians in there that need to mix up together. I have a feeling this first layer is going to be very ish. Alright, time to clean this up. Alright, it's kicked. I waited a little too long. Alright, I'm going to make up a sanding block to make sure that that's fairly square. Okay, a bit more mud. I call it mud, by the by. My spatula. Alright, just got a simple block of wood. Alright, I'm gonna call that good. Alright, time to do some pre-clearancing. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of this meat here. That way the router has to work not as hard. So, let's use the Sawzall. I would have used a jigsaw, but it's buried. Alright, got the flush trim bit in. What it has is a little roller bearing chingadera area here. And I want it to roughly run about in the middle of my pattern. So let's adjust that guy out just a little bit there. And this is just a guesstimation as far as thickness. I looked at it, it's pretty close. So this will run along our pattern and trim ourselves a new bit of wood. Okay, let's get started here. Putting down a towel so I can kneel down. It's a lot easier on my back. Let's get this thing started. I'm covered in sawdust. Okay. Let's start again. Dang it. Got some repair work to do. Son of a gun. That stuff is soft there. Just tore it right up. Crap. Oh well, that's why I got body filler. I'm all dusty. I'm leaving the original on here because it still has the original line out here, so I gotta build this up. Go clean up. Alright, let's take this sucker apart. Stab myself. There we go. Router mishap fixed there. Next step will be covering this. I'm gonna drill a hole. We need a vent hole. This had a vent hole for when you put your butt on it. The air doesn't balloon up and then blow out the seat cushion. Hey guys and gals, thanks for watching. This is gonna be a two-part series because it's turned out to be a long video. So now I just made it longer. But yeah, part 2 will come right after this. Thank you for watching. Dive on, scrap on, fix on. Later.